We are live. I'm going to give a moment. Oh, there it is. Okay. That's better. It's a little tricky these days. Okay. Motivation isn't the problem. If it was, pushing harder would have worked by now. Just sit with that for a second. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Claudette. I guide the mature age community to rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons, naturally. And I'm talking about this because I keep seeing the same misunderstanding over and over. People keep thinking they're stuck because they're unmotivated. But the people I'm speaking to, they're not lazy. They're not checked out. They're the ones who show up. They keep going. They push through. You know who you are. And that's exactly why this matters. Somewhere along the way, we were taught that ignoring signals equals discipline. Tight shoulders, you deal with it. Sleep off, you'll catch up later. That wired but tired feeling, eh, you normalize it. And none of that feels dramatic. That's why it's easy to ignore. Here's the piece most people miss. Your body gives you information early, not to stop you, not to derail your life, to help you adjust sooner. And calm isn't quitting. Calm is information. It's feedback. It's timing. It's your body trying to keep you steady instead of forcing a reset later. This isn't therapy. This is daily awareness. It looks like noticing tension before pain, fatigue before burnout, restlessness before overwhelm. And when you listen earlier, you don't need extreme recovery later. That's the difference. This is a space I work in. I'm not here to analyze anyone. I guide people to rebuild common strength in practical daily ways so life doesn't keep knocking them flat. This is about staying in your life longer, not crashing, rebuilding, and starting over. If this landed, it's probably because you've been pushing longer than you realized. You're not unmotivated. You're not broken. You're just ready to listen sooner. Calm doesn't slow your life down. It helps you stay in it longer. And we love to have you here. Thanks again. I'm Claudette. And if you're not already following, please follow and let's stay connected. Talk to you soon.